Hi guys, and welcome to C++ Hospital Appointment Booking System developed in C Builder. Now let me show you guys how this works. To my right here I have the calendar, and I also have the navigator and all the other components. Okay, so if we want to navigate, all we just need to do is just click on that. And supposing we want to delete any data, let's look for a data to delete. Let's go to Telma. Come in here, you see the minus there. You click on that and say, okay, that is it. Telma is gone. Now let's check out Telma. Is Telma still here? No, Telma is gone. Now let's delete another one. Let's go for Susan. I'm going to come back in here and let's navigate to Susan. There we go. Check this out. We have Susan in here, and if you come in here now, we can just get rid of Susan. Yes, get rid of her. Come back in here. There we go. Susan is gone. And the other thing we need to have a look at is the database itself. And let's open up the database there, right here. Let's check that out. Open up the table. As you can see, we only have 3 records in there. Okay, so now I'm going to add more data. Let's click on that and let's come in here, add the following patient and the patient name. Let's say the patient is, shall we go for Reverend, and the name happens to be, let's say, Mike. And in here his name is Mike Tommy. Address of Reverend Tommy, number 13, and let's call that ASCII Lane. Nationality of Tommy, let's say is from Norway, something like that. And in here, appointment. Yep, date of appointment. Let's assume that is the date for the appointment. All you need to do is to double click on the calendar, and the time of the appointment you can just make that up. Let's say it's 4 p.m. Is it confirmed? Yes. Telephone number and so on. And let's say it's male, and the reverend's date of birth. So let's enter, let's go for 15 is 1, and the reverend is about, let's enter 2 in there. Okay, the reverend is about 30 years old. And county, where does he live? Let's just call that Queens, or we just say Queens Park. There we go. And doctor's details, let's speed that up. There, telephone number here, Gmail. There, those are the details of Mike. Right, so let's come in here, make sure that is added. There we go, that is it right there. And now let's check out our database. Open up the database, double click on that, and let's see, open up the table, and right there, those are the details of Reverend Mike. Now we can close that. Just for your information guys, this is just an overview, and I'll see you guys with a full tutorial shortly.